Hey, what's up, y'all? Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel. Also, man, I'm back with my market update for Tuesday. Y'all can watch my previous videos too, man. Might be some stocks in there that you might want to put on your watch list. Y'all might want to get a watch list too. All the stocks that I be giving y'all mostly is on my watch list in my Weeble portfolio that I watch. A lot of dividend stocks. Got another portfolio for my growth stocks. Like I say, you want to do growth, man, do VTI, VOO. You can get some of them single stocks, Amazon, Teslas, or you can get them all under one umbrella and umbrella ETF, a VOO or VTI. Some other stocks like Pepsi, Coke, Home Depot. You can do SCHD. Two other ones I like for you to check out: HDV and DHS, man. Them are my three I like, and VYM. A lot of people like VUG, VIG. There's a lot of stuff out there. If I was you, I would put it on recurring investment. $1 a day, $2 a day, $3, $5, $10, whatever you can afford, and don't even watch it. Just put it on there every day to automatically buy it for y'all busy investors. I mean, busy workers that don't have time to invest. I suggest to get you some with the S&P 500 with the Magnificent 7, like a VTI and a VOO, and pair that with, get you a nice dividend stock that pay at least a 8 to 12% yield, I want to say. Or you can get one of these REITs, AGNC, ARR, ORC. You can go with OXXQ, something that pay at least a little risk, man. You know, which I call the golden goose. You can do $5 a day in both, and you can let your dividends of that high risk 12% yield start buying your expensive VOO and VTI stocks. All your single stocks, your Amazons, your Apples, all them Teslas, those $200 plus stocks, let your dividends pay for it, which I call the golden goose. Your the 12% yielder, the 8 to 12% yielder, or the 15%, or you can get something like TSLY. You really want to be risky, get a Yield Max ETF, TSLY, AMDY, one of those, and dollar cost average into that, and let that buy your dividend stocks. All right, man. Y'all remember, this is my market update. It's not yours. So this is what I'm trading, man, what I'm watching. I know I say that every video, but if somebody first time, just want to mention it. All right, let's go, man. All right, go with some volatile stuff, man. Yield Max ETFs. You ain't got to. You can buy one share a day. I won't load up on them, or you can just do a fractional share, $3, $5 a day, $2 a day, whatever you're able to afford. Or you can put on recurring investment. Just do $1 a day in each, and you ain't got to watch it. You ain't got to trade. Period. Just reap the benefits of dividends. KLIP, China crane shares still in buy order. I mean in buy range. I'm sorry. AMDY, AGNC, ORC. Okay, KLIP paid a dividend of 55 cents a share. Y'all know this is an unedited video. I talking and posted. AMDY, I think for November did 87 cents a share. AGNC 12 cents a share every month. That's a REIT. ORC another REIT. 12 cents a share a month. EFC, L10 Financial, I like that at like $12.50 and under, 13 cents a share every month. SDIV, it varies. The ETF pay you toward the price, but that's in buy range like that, $22 and under. OXXQ, 3.5 cents a share. I like that at $2.80 and under, so at like $2.64. Another one you might want to go with, Western Union. Got a dividend yield like 7 to 8%. I want to say it's safer. You're not going to get no more dividend rate hikes. I think it's going to stay around what it pays, but it is consistent. If you want to go for that little yield, it is a financial stock. All right, HRZN, Horizon Technology, 11 cents a share a month. The other one I'm getting into, man, Fiat, FIAT, that's the inverse on Coinbase, Yield Max ETF. I buy $2 to $3 a day of it. When it's at the 52-week low, I buy a share or two, but I just like the dollar cost average on the two. It just pay a nice monthly dividend. One thing I noticed about the Yield Max ETFs, never load up on them. unless you know for sure that's the low. The only one I load up on is ULTY, because I know at $10 and under, it's gonna go between the 962 and the $10 and 962 and the $10 range. You're gonna always pull back somewhere between there. You're gonna go between about 996, 962, 980, 970 for a couple of days. That's when you accumulate, load up. That's when I buy like 5 shares a day. When it come down, I might buy about 25 shares just off rip. When it's in that buy range, I buy a share every day or a couple shares a day, because I know it's not gonna stay down there long. It's gonna go back above the $10 mark. Then once the ex-dividend date, gonna pull on back. That's what I noticed with the pattern of that. It does pay a good dividend too though. But when it's above the $10 range, I don't even touch it. I think I got an average cost of like $9.86. So I just keep that. When it dip below, I load up, and that'll be it. In one portfolio of mine. Another one, I got an average cost probably about $11. But I don't even think I buy any shares in there. I just keep it just for the dividend, and I just load up on my other one. You might ask how I got $11 something average cost in one and $9.86 in one. Sometimes it's best to start another position in another brokerage account so you can see the green. You can buy it at the bottom. Some people might have an average cost of that stock at like $14 still, but I was buying it and selling it. But like I said, I don't really think I buy fractional shares now. That's what I'm doing in my Robinhood. Just cashing up, and it's working. I might just get $3 to $5 a day instead of me getting my. I was getting a share a day and a lot of stuff. Once I build up past my 100 shares of everything, I just dollar cost average $3 here, $5 here. Cause see, a stock for that day can be at $11.97 for that day. I only buy on red days anyway. Since $11.97, and later on that day it closed around 3 or 3:30 before closing bell, to go down to $11.50. I say I brought 3 at $11.97. That might have been a daily low. Bad news might have came out or sell off. Now it's $11.50. Now I go buy another $3 worth. Well, I might double up on the at $11.50. So that way I don't ever load up on it, buying one share in and one share there. You know, I mean, if you got the money, you're going to get the dividend back anyway. But one thing about monthly dividend stocks, even if they get a dividend cut, or any stock really, you could just reinvest the dividends. But you tired of putting your new money, I'm tired of dealing with it, keep doing dividend cuts, that's fine. Just hold it and just reinvest the dividend. Or just keep it for the dividend, put it into another stock or a company. But all right, back to it. MPW, quarterly paying REIT, down to 422. You got to buy that at 440 and under. Swing trade for later. Ticker INTC, Intel. There's the CEO or somebody end up stepping down or losing his job, or got fired or something. So that's why that came down. I'm gonna buy Intel. Dollar cost averaging at $22 and under. Think that is a good buying range for it, between that $19, $22 mark. Add your $3 here, $5 here a day. GOOY Yield Max ETF cover calls on Google down to 14.43 today. That's especially by that at 15 and under. That will go back up. What else we got here? In another portfolio, ticker ACP, or brokerage account. You can trade this in the Robinhood, ticker ACP and OPP and ACP. Those pay out monthly also. ACP 650 and under, OPP 850 and under. And that's everything. I'm Charge Point, ticker CHPT, got down to 113 a day. Pick up you like 5 shares a day, hold it for the long term. Some people day and swing trade it, but that's a nice stock. Got a lot of value for you to trade if you need to make some money to it. But you got to learn the pattern of it. It pretty much goes up to the 120, 130 range, gonna go right back down to the 120 and under. I mean, lately, especially get under the 110 range, 108, 109, you better load up. We're going to shoot back up to the 120 something. That's when you sell it. Rinse and repeat. Signing off, man. Go get your money.